Hey everyone, it's CARRI over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am so excited to announce Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic and myself are hosting a Halloween swap 2024. Ghouls Just Wanna Have Fun. I hope you guys will consider joining in on our one-on-one swap. This is going to be a great way to use that Halloween stash that you've been hanging on to, share it with other crafty friends, and start using the supplies that we have. The swap requirements are going to be an envelope flip book with a minimum of 3 envelopes and at least 3 die cuts per envelope. There are many easy envelope flip book tutorials on YouTube, and this is a really fun project. I know that we all have been purchasing and we all have a great collection of dies that we can use to swap and share with our crafty friends. A dangle or a keychain, a set of 2 chunky embellishments, a set of 4 bows, an ATC or MDC card, depending on what you would like to do with your swap partner, a Halloween sweet treat, and a Halloween crafty goodie. You also must be able to post your outgoing and incoming swap on YouTube or on Instagram. The signups will go until August 21st. You can email myself or Sharon, or you can also send a direct message on Instagram to myself or to Sharon. Partners will be announced on August 26th. Outgoing swaps need to be mailed by October 11th. All the details will be listed below. Please contact myself or Sharon with any questions, and please be sure to check out Sharon's video that she also is posting for the Ghouls Just Wanna Have Fun swap. I will also be releasing my Halloween dewdrop release, and the colors aren't just for Halloween, they can actually be used for any projects. If you are someone that has purchased from me in the past and you would like to purchase these directly, these are available immediately for shipment. Otherwise, they will be posted and available for sale in my Etsy shop on September 1st. If you just like to direct message me for purchase, that would be wonderful. I appreciate it so much. It saves me so much fees on my Etsy store. This is the release for this month. These are slightly glittered. We have the pumpkin orange, the frog green, the witch purple, and the bat black. They all have just a hint of sparkle to them. There will be 25 of each color, and it's $5 with free shipping. We have been having so much fun with our summer vibe swap that we decided that we should also host a Halloween one. It's so much fun to do a one-on-one swap. I hope you guys will consider entering our swaps. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.